Taginod. Taginod. Pass on the inside. Bumalik. Hook shot. Basket and one. Vargas. And pinabitin Vargas. So, 2-1. Oy, rebound. Takes for the tie. Foul. Tie game. Basket and one. Pass to the middle. Takes. Cortez all the way. Basket and one. Cortez. Drives. Falls too strong. One bounce. Pagod one. Basket for two. Vargas bounce pass. Lays in Dupaya and the finish. Well, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cagayan Intertown Apong League 2024 para sa laban ng Lalo at Tuguegarao. Shoutout kay Captain Nides Headwear para sa mga gustong mag-order. Sulit at legit. Captain Nides Headwear, nasa comment section lang yung link mga idol. Here's a jump ball pagkadwan versus and all the way easy bucket. Balisi chest pass, pass back. Balisi stops, bounce pass, Cortez pull up J. Too strong. Balisi dribbling the ball, goes to the middle, the bounce pass, corner. Pasiwagan for three. Bang! Pass to Balisi. Pass to Dupaya. Balisi for three. Bang! Balisi di. Pasiwagan kicks out. Magay drives. Falls too strong. One bounce. Pagod one. Basket for two. Balisi. Pass to Vargas. Sumigway. Pull up jet 3. Off the target. Rebound put back. Wala pa rin. And here's Pasiwagan the rebound. And pass to Magay. Magay pinabitin. Wala. Rebound by Pasiwagan. Distance. Oops. Balisi. Oops. Magay. Pass in the middle. Balisi with the finish. Balisi. Pass to Dupaya. Vargas spins. Vargas. Pass on the inside. Cortez short. Cortez still the rebound. Cortez fouls foul. Tuguegarao ball possession. Taginod. Pass to the corner. Balisi. Pass to his for 3. Bang! Dupaya. To Cortez. Floater shot. Off gorget. Rebound. Taginod. Kawilan. Stops to Taginod. Stops. Hook pass. Pasiwagan. Nabitawan ng bola with the Vargas. Pass break ngayon. The assassin Dupaya. Easy bucket. Kinaliwang. And a long pass. Pinabitin. Off the glass. Pabitin. Taginod. Bounce pass to the middle. Straight to the hoop. Supalpal. And stolen. And it's Balisi. 2-on-1. Balisi. Bounce pass. Oop. Kawilan for the style. And this Taginod. Bounce pass. Pasiwagan. Wala. And Malto. One bounce. Fires off the window. Bucket for 2. Malto. And here's Balisi to Dupaya. Dupaya with the ball. Pass back. Balisi. Vargas spins. Pull up J. Won't go. Rebound Dupaya. Kicks out. Balisi for 3. Bang! And 13-14 score. 1 point lead for Team Tuguegarao. Tagakay. Asuncion for 3. Bang! Vargas. Pass inside. Alley-oop pass and the finish by Dupaya. Tagakay. Pass to Balisi. Pass to the middle. Tagakay. Pass to the corner. Pull up to you. No good. Oops. Huli. Pushes. Vargas. Crossover. Pass to the corner. And here's Dupaya. Columbano. Pull up the floater. Short. And natapikan. Natapikan. Naiwan ng bola. Floater. Columbano with the finish. And here's Tabut. Oops. And Vargas. Oop. Here's Oop. Nakagaw din. Tagakay. Pass to the middle. And Tunis Umigway pass Malto. Tagakay. Asuncion. Cross pass. And Magay. And Kawilan for 3. Bang! Dupaya. Pass to Vargas. Pass on the middle. Cortez inagawan. 3-on-1. 3-on-2. Ay, nagaw yung Gandhi. Oops! Uy, na-recover. Magay spins. Fire, wala. Tagakay with the ball. Sharing the play. Tagakay behind the back dribble. Stops. Pass to the corner. Magay. Oh, nagawan. And 4-on-2. And Vargas. And pinabitin Vargas. So, 2-4. Is Pasiwagan. Open for 3. Bang! Dupaya. Pass to Columbano. Stops. Cross pass. Pass to the middle. Breaks. Cortez all the way. Basket and 1. Cortez. Pasiwagan. Crossover. Natapikan. Oops. Guy crosses the mid lane. And Tagakay stops for 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Oops. Libre easy bucket. Versus Vargas versus Tagakay. To Balisi. Cross pass. Dupaya to the middle. Cortez minute beat easy bucket. Cortez. Tagakay kicks out. Pasiwagan. Praising space. This won't go. And a pass break. 2-on-2. Vargas bounce pass. Lays in Dupaya and the finish. And 1 point lead for Tuguegarao. Pasiwagan to Magudayao. Pass to the middle. A drives. Kicks out. Pasiwagan. Magay nabitawan. Oh, stolen for the lead. All the way. Easy bucket. Dupaya. Balisi. Pass to Dupaya. To Balisi with the screen. Pass hook inside. Magudayao. And pass to Turingan. Owen Wild open for 3. Off the target. Rebound Vargas. Backdoor inbound. Vargas. Corner pass to the middle. Drives. Cortez short. Battle for the rebound. Still put back. Vargas up. Cortez. And here's Balisi. Corner. Dupaya. Tobe. And Dupaya. Balisi. Pass to Dupaya. Pass to Bartel. Oh, libre sa loob. What a find. And here's in Turingan to the corner. Malto. Waits for 3. Balisi. Off the mark. Cortez. Vargas and the long pass. Eksakto yung pasa. Eksakto yung finish. And is nagawan. Vargas nakalusot. Vargas pull up J. Vargas wala. Vargas with the inbound. Passing. Oh, gandang pasa. Oh! What a play! And here's Turingan for setting the play to the corner. And he spins. Oops, my foul. Tagakay pick up the ball. Tagakay 5 seconds for 3. Off the target. Vargas to the corner. Dupaya long to bucket. Bullseye. Taginod drives. Leads. Bucket. Taginod. And here's Taginod. Pass to the corner. Malto. Taginod. Fires at 3. Wide open. Bang! 3 points. Balisi. Figaro 4-point lead. Pass to Balisi. To Dupaya. Bounce pass. Cortez nakalusot. Lace. Too strong. And Cortez again. Rebound put back. Cortez. Taginod dribbling the ball at the middle. And here's Taginod. Corner pass for 3. Short. And here's Vargas. Vargas. Pass, bounce pass. Here's Balisi. Pass to Obe. Obe all the way to the hoops. Obe. 2 points. Taginod. Taginod. Oops, pass on the inside. Hook pass. Zoom shot. Pasok yan. Malto. Dupaya. Cortez. Pass it. Side step. Si Riban kicks out. Dupaya. Pipia. Si Riban. Si Riban. Kicks out. Dupaya wide open for 3. Bang! Dupaya 3. Bound Malto to Taginod. 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 Pass on the inside. Fires. Bucket. Balisi. Baseball pass. Vargas. Vargas spins. Pass to the middle. Oh! Taginod. Taginod to the middle, stops. Launch on 3. Bang! 3 points! And a 2-point lead. Oops. Nagsakayan sila. Oops. And a ball possession for team to Gegaraw. 2-point lead. And Balisi lays. And tie game! Balisi. Vargas. Vargas. Vargas, bounce pass, Riban, corner, Dupaya. Pass to Riban, Dupaya. Up too strong. No good. Oh, smart play. Vargas, pinasa, bis, wala. And nakuha ni si Riban. Si Riban. No look pass. Pins. Vargas. Pull up J. Oh, supalpal sa likod. Libre. Oh, no basket. Oh. Oh, yun. Nagawa. No, dinulak. Oh. And Dupaya. Pass to si Riban. Si Riban. No! And here's Taginod. Taginod. Pass. Picks. Pass on the inside. For the inbound. Taginod. Oh, libreng-libre! Easy bucket. Perfect! Dupaya. Dupaya. Atake to the pedal. Columbano stops. Pull up J. Bucket. Taigi. Oh, nagawan. And here you go, Taginod, pass, hook pass, floater, too strong, and the rebound. Uy, nakuha pa rin, Kawilan for 3, off the target, and is, Dupaya, pinasa, easy bucket, Column, third setting the play, asking for pick, Taginod, wide open for 3, oh, oop, bang, lucky bang, 47-45, and here's Dupaya. Dupaya. Stop. Bounce pass. Naagawan lang. And here's Tagakay. A bounce pass. Oops. Babalik. Foul. Basket and 1. And to Gegaraw. Up by 4. Columbano. Pass to Dupaya. And to Columbano. 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 Pass to Dupaya. Dupaya drives. Bounce pass. To the middle. Totter. Bucket. Tumayam. Taginod crosses the mid lane. Slowly dribbling the ball. De Discarte. And pass. Hook pass. It's off the glass. Bucket for 2. And here's Taginod. Taginod. Taginod, hook pass to the middle, pass so strong, and the rebound, and here's Columbano, Columbano all the way by Columbano, face-to-face shot, and here's Taginod, oop, grabe na, Dupaya, hoy, baging No bag. And it's number 3. Uy! Inong parda na naiwagkit. For the inbound. And here's Tagakay. Nagtatapikan. Oops, taagaw. It's Balisi. Pass to Pasiwagan. Pasiwagan, long three. Off the mark. Rebound. Balisi. And Tagakay for three. Bang! Balisi. And here's Kalt for three. Won't go. Rebound. Put back. Pasok yan para kay Cortez. Tagakay. Stops. Wild open for three again. Off the mark. Rebound. Maguddayaw. Oop! Tagakay. To Balisi. Pass to Malto. Spins. Malto floater. Won't go. Reverse layup. Won't go. And there's Balisi. Unaagawan ni Tagakay. Pass on the inside. Pasiwagan. Subalbal. So kicks out. Tagakay. Bounce pass to Pasiwagan. And he sits Balisi for three. Bang! Pass to Balisi. Balisi to the corner. Olumbano. Bang! Olumbano three. And to Hobe. Pass to Yates. For three. Bang! Back to back three. Balisi bounce pass. Natapikan. Balisi still. And here's Vargas. Taagawan ni Pasiwagan. And here's Tagakay. Long pass. Cross pass. And here's Balisi for the three. Off the mark. Balisi pass break. For the lead. Cortez. Easy bucket. Cortez for the lead. Tagakay. Drives. Corner. Malto. Attacks. Oops. Last on the free throw. Malto won't go. Rebound Balisi. Vargas. Post picks. For three. Bang! Taginod. Hook pass. Malto of the glass. Malto. Balisi. Pass to Vargas. Pass to Balisi. Cross pass. Wild open for three. Off the mark. Rebound by Cortez. Oops. And Taginod. Reverse layup. Won't go. Balisi. And it's Vargas. And a pass to Columbano. Liz. Columbano. Bucket. Columbano. Back to pass. Taginod. Pass to Maguddayaw. Subalpal. Recover. Balisi. Oops. Almost lost. Pass to the middle. Taginod. Drives. Pull up J. Short. Nagkatapikan. Balisi. Tips in. Naagaw. Columbano. Straight to the hoops. Won't go. And it's Vargas off the wind. All good. Taginod. Drives. Backdoor inbound. To the corner. Fix. Step back. Balisi for three. Bang! Two. And it's Columbano. Pass to Cortez. Drives all the way to the host. Won't go. And Pasiwagan with the rebound. And is Sinampan kicks out. Wild open for three again. Off the mark. Rebound. For the tie. Up. For the tie. Tie game. Mapapa-defense silang lahat. And pass to Cortez. Bounce pass. Naagawan. Tumayo silang lahat. And Pasiwagan. Stops. By foul. And Pasiwagan for the lead. Off target. Pasiwagan for the lead. Bakit? Lead the game. Dupaya. Balisi. Setting the play. To Vargas. Pass to spins. Hook shot. 1-2. Rebound. Balsin Cortez. 1-2. Rebound. Oh! High foul. Pushing foul. No. Looking for the receiver. Corner pass. Walt fakes. Oh, stop. Pull up J. Off target. Rebound. Oh. Rebound. Here's it. Oh, Magutayaw. Maguda one bounce. Oh, may foul. Sinakayan. And 16 seconds left. Off the glass. Bakit? Pa-defense silang lahat. 16.5 seconds left on the last final quarter. Here's Cortez. Cortez, umikot si Vargas, pinasa. And pass to Vargas. Vargas for 3. Off the mark, rebound. Foul! Oh! May dalawang free throw. And 2 on the free throw. Nakabuo silang lahat. First throw. Bakit? 1 point lead for the tie. Last throw. Tie game. 5.4 seconds left. Singampan for the inbound. Team to Gegaraw. Pass outside. Here's Magutayaw. Magutayaw loses the ball. Uy! That's the end of the kill. Singapan. Singapan. It's stolen in a pass break. For the lead. Easy bucket. Dupaya. Singapan. Singapan sumugway. Singapan all the way to the hoops. Bucket for 2. Singapan. Balisi. Balisi natapikan. Nakagawan. Singapan for the lead. Singapan in and out. And here's Balisi. Pass to Cortez. Corner. Dupaya. Pass to Vargas. Vargas. Sumisinyas. Pumasok ka doon. Nakalusot. Pass to the middle. Floater off the glass. Cortez. Zingapan. Zingapan. Side step. Kicks out to the corner. Fakes. Balisi. To the middle. Mga will for 3. Off the mark. Oops. Oh. 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 And Vargas. Pinasa. Balisi off the glass. 4-point lead. Zingapan. Pass to Kabilan. Malto. Malto. Oh, Pinararo. Went all the way. So palpal pero may foul. With the rebound. Oh. Lalo. Vargas. And a 3-point lead. Team Lalo setting the play. Vargas. Vargas. And drives. Corner pass. Step back for 3. Off the mark. Oh, saves the ball. Wild pass. Corner. Oh. 24-71. 2 minutes and 10 seconds left. Taginod. And it's Magutayaw creating space. Taginod. Podjay. Wala. Rebound. Taginod pa rin. Zingapan. Uy, loses the ball. Zingapan. Taginod. Corner pass. Wide open. Pasiwagan. Off the target. Battle for the rebound. Fires. Too strong. Rebound pa rin. Off the glass. Magutayaw. Upaya. Pass to Vargas. Vargas. Fires at 3. Bang! Vargas! Pass to Taginod. Taginod. Pass on the inside. And space. Bumalik. Hook shot. Basket and 1. And on the free throw. Oops. Wala. Uy, rebound. Takes for the tie. Oh, tie game. Basket and 1. Joseph Waga. For the lead. 1 minute, 17 seconds left. And lead the game. And the pass break. Pasisi. Fires. 1-2. Taginod. Pass to Pasiwagan. Pasiwagan. Pass sa gitna. 78-77. Tugigaraw up by 1. Taginod. Corner pass. Pasiwagan. Drives. Bumangga. Oop! Loses the ball. Nakuha ngayon. Bounce pass. And his passage. And his Balisi. Balisi. Balisi drives. Balisi. Bounce pass to the middle. Kicks out. Wide open. For 3. Off the mark. Rebound takes. Flash. Wala. Rebound. Dubaya. Hook shot. Hook pass. Si rebound. Off the mark. Uy. And is Singapan. Bounce pass, 19 seconds. Taginod, drive. Oh, dalawa sila. Subalbal. Rebound, put back, foul. In, 1 free throw. 12 seconds left. Pagaduan, first free throw. For additional or not, additional 1. Pagaduan on the free throw. Bucket, 3-point lead. Rebound, 12.9 seconds. Cross pass. Dupaya. Dupaya. Oops, tatapikan. Floater. Won't go. Enes Vargas. Pull up Jetri. Off the mark. Oh! Oh, winner. Tugigaraw. Congratulations to